Welcome back. In the last video, you learned about simple meter, where each beat divides into two equal parts, and how we can describe meters as duple, triple, or quadruple depending on the number of beats. Now we will look at compound meter. In compound meter, each beat divides into three equal parts instead of two. For example, a single beat can be divided into 3/8 notes. Because of this, the beat is usually not represented by a simple note value like a quarter note, but by a dotted note. Just like in simple meter, we can also classify compound meter by the number of beats in each measure. We still use the terms duple, triple, and quadruple. Let's start with 6/8 time. In 6/8 time, there are 6/8 notes in each measure, but they are grouped into two beats. Each beat consists of 3/8 notes, so the pulse is felt as a dotted quarter note. The first beat is strong, and the second beat is weak. Because there are two beats and each beat divides into three, this is called compound duple meter. A well-known example of 6/8 time is the traditional English folk song Greensleeves. Here, the 6/8 notes in each measure are clearly grouped into two beats, each consisting of 3/8 notes. This creates the characteristic flowing feel of compound duple meter. Even though you can count 6 smaller notes, you usually feel the music in 2 larger beats. Listen to this example and notice how the melody naturally follows this pattern. In 9/8 time, there are 9/8 notes in each measure, grouped into 3 beats. The first beat is strong, followed by 2 weaker beats. Each beat again divides into 3, so this is called compound triple meter. It feels similar to 3/4 time, but with a triplet-like subdivision throughout. In 12/8 time, there are 12/8 notes in each measure grouped into 4 beats. The first beat is strong, the third beat has a secondary accent, and the others are weaker. Since there are 4 beats and each beat divides into 3, this is called compound quadruple meter. It feels similar to 4/4 time, but with a continuous triplet subdivision. To summarize, there are again 2 important aspects of meter. If each beat divides into 2, we call it simple meter. If each beat divides into 3, we call it compound meter. At the same time, we describe the number of beats as duple, triple, or quadruple. So a time signature like 6/8 is not just compound, it is specifically compound duple meter. The same applies to compound meters as in simple meters. A whole rest always fills an entire measure, even if, such as in 6/4 time, it does not actually match the total duration of the measure. In the next video, we will take a closer look at triplets and duplets and how they relate to different types of meter. Subscribe to MusePrep and keep learning step by step. See you next time.